How to close running apps on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. Let's say if you open any app on your iPhone, like I am opening camera here, and if you want to quit the app, then you can simply swipe up from the bottom of your screen and the app will be closed. However, the app is just minimized right now and not closed completely. So in order to close the app completely, go to your home screen and swipe up from the bottom of your screen again. And you will see all the apps running in the background. You can simply swipe up in every app and quit the app one by one. If you want to quit apps a little quicker, then you can also use two fingers and quit two apps at once, and also use three fingers and quit three apps at once. Just align three apps together and swipe on them at once and the apps will be closed. Also, launch the Settings application on your device and tap on General and then on Background App Refresh. Disable Background App Refresh or set it to Wi-Fi in order to save extra consumption of data and battery, since apps like weather or calendar use internet connection whenever they are open in the background. You can also manually toggle off the button for apps you do not want to use Background App Refresh. Next, you can remove the app from the home screen too. To do that, hold on the app you want to remove. You will see the option for Edit Home Screen. Tap on that, and then when the application starts to jiggle, tap on the minus icon. You will receive a pop-up. Tap on the Remove Home Screen option, and with this, the app will be removed from the home screen. However, you can still find it in the app library. To go to the app library, swipe your home screen until the very end, and you will be able to see all your apps here. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.